So Left Hand Brewing Company started in 1993. We're based in Longmont, Colorado. This is our first venture into the Denver market, right across from the Mission Ballroom. We're super excited to offer all of our award-winning beers to the public and to our fans. You can't open a restaurant across from the Mission Ballroom and be lackluster. We had to actually step our game up. We wanted to be able to have sound throughout the entire restaurant, including outside on the patio. We wanted to have visual inside. We wanted to create an experience where people felt like it was an extension of the Mission Ballroom.
Logic Integration installed a wide variety of audio and video equipment, including multiple 4K displays, full surveillance system, multiple zones of audio. The entire system sits on a gigabit network backbone, all controlled by Crestron.
Simplicity and ease of use was very important for the Left Hand Brewing team. The staff here is able to utilize the 2 touch panels to quickly adjust audio and visual elements, and with a few touches, they can get the whole system up and operational. A vital part of this install was the security cameras. Logic installed a variety of security cameras to help keep them safe. We have multiple zones to individually control the audio, anywhere from the dining to the outdoor seating to the bar.
Logic Integration helped integrate everything. They were super responsive, so they helped us get to where we are today.